When you hear the word law, you may think of human rights, criminal courts, or property disputes. But did you know that animals, too, are at the heart of laws that govern how we treat them, protect them, and sometimes even exploit them? Welcome to today's exploration of animal law, a growing field that addresses the complex relationship between humans and the animals that share our world. From companion pets to endangered species, from farm animals to wildlife in captivity, animal law is about ensuring that living creatures are given the consideration and protection they deserve. Animal law refers to the body of laws, regulations, and legal principles that govern how humans interact with animals. It spans multiple areas of legal practice, criminal law, environmental law, property law, and even international treaties. At its heart, animal law asks one big question: what moral and legal rights do animals have, and how should humans be held accountable for respecting them? For example, laws may prohibit cruelty, regulate animal testing, or establish protections for endangered species. But animal law doesn't stop at prevention. It's also about promoting welfare, making sure that animals live in environments that meet their needs for food, safety, and natural behavior. The concept of animal protection is not new. Ancient civilizations like India and Greece had early codes of kindness toward animals. In the 19th century, organized animal welfare laws began to emerge. For instance, the UK's Cruelty to Animals Act of 1835 was one of the first legal steps against animal abuse. Across the Atlantic, the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA, was founded in 1866, sparking the animal rights movement in the United States. Fast forward to today, and animal law has grown into a global field, with university courses, specialized lawyers, and even international organizations working to shape better standards for animals. Animal law touches every corner of our society. Let's look at its main areas. 1. Companion animals. Laws regulate how pets are treated. They cover issues like abandonment, abuse, puppy mills, and neglect. In many countries, cruelty to pets can lead to criminal charges, fines, and jail time. 2. Farm animals. Billions of animals are raised for food every year. Laws determine how they're housed, transported, and slaughtered. While some progress has been made, such as banning battery cages for hens or gestation crates for pigs, critics argue that industrial farming still causes suffering on a massive scale. 3. Wildlife protection. International treaties like CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, regulate the trade of endangered animals. National laws ban poaching, illegal logging, and habitat destruction. Wildlife law also addresses trophy hunting and exotic pet ownership. 4. Animal testing and research. Millions of animals are used in scientific experiments. Some countries require alternatives to testing when possible. Others, like the EU, have banned cosmetic testing on animals altogether. 5. Entertainment and captivity. Circuses, zoos, marine parks, and racing industries all involve animals. Laws decide whether such practices are ethical and under what conditions animals can be displayed for human amusement. Over the years, landmark cases have shaped animal law. In 2014, an Argentinian court declared an orangutan named Sandra a non-human person with basic legal rights. In India, dolphins were legally recognized as non-human persons, leading to a ban on dolphinariums. The Endangered Species Act, 1973, in the United States has been crucial in saving species like the bald eagle and the gray wolf. These cases mark a shift from viewing animals as mere property to recognizing them as beings with intrinsic value. Despite progress, animal law faces challenges: economic interests versus ethics. Industries like farming, fishing, and pharmaceuticals rely heavily on animals. Regulating them often clashes with powerful economic lobbies. Cultural traditions. Practices like bullfighting, whaling, or exotic food markets raise ethical debates when cultural heritage collides with animal rights. Global disparities. Some countries have advanced animal laws, while others have weak or no protections at all. And perhaps the most difficult question of all, should animals have legal rights comparable to human rights? The future of animal law looks promising. Universities worldwide now offer programs in animal law. Nonprofits and activists are pushing for animal personhood, the idea that certain species should have legal standing. Technology is reducing the need for animal testing, and plant-based food industries are reshaping agriculture. As public awareness grows, animal law is no longer a fringe topic. It is becoming central to discussions about ethics, sustainability, and even human survival. After all, protecting animals often means protecting ecosystems and ultimately, protecting ourselves. Animal law isn't just about rules and regulations. It's about redefining our relationship with the creatures who share this planet. Whether it's a family dog, a whale in the ocean, or a tiger in the wild, each animal's life has value. The question we must ask ourselves is simple. How can we use the law not just to dominate, but to protect and coexist? Because when animals thrive, so does humanity. Subscribe to Critter Collection for more insights and tell us, which law impresses you most?